So today class I will discuss concave mirror cases. Okay, in last class I have discussed two cases of concave mirror of image formation. Okay beta, so today I will discuss some next cases of concave mirror. Okay, so next one is case number third. Case number third case. Third case. What is third case? Third case is a ray light passing through a ray light passing through center of curvature after reflection is reflected back along the same path. Okay, how it will happen? So first of all, draw a concave mirror. This is concave mirror and this is principal axis, this is pole, this is focus and this is center of curvature. Okay beta, he is saying that if one ray is coming from center of curvature, after coming it will reflect back from center of curvature. Okay beta, if one ray is coming from center of curvature, then it will reflect back from center of curvature. Okay beta, so next fourth case. Next is fourth case. What is fourth case? Fourth case is if a ray incident obliquely to the principal axis toward a point that is pole on the concave mirror after reflection is reflected obliquely. What is saying? So first of all, draw a concave mirror like this. Okay, and draw this principal axis. This is pole, this is focus, this is center of curvature. Okay, if one ray is coming at pole, then it reflected. If it is coming at an angle theta, then it will reflect back at same angle theta. Okay beta, this is fourth case. Okay beta, so next we will discuss image formation, how to image will form if object put beyond the center of curvature, between center of curvature and focus, and between focus and pole. Okay beta. So how to form image if object placed anywhere on the principal axis. Okay, so I am going to rub it. Okay beta. Okay, let's start. Okay, so what we are going to discuss? We are going to discuss image formation. What is the heading? Heading is image formation. Image formation. Image formation. Why? Concave mirror. Concave mirror. This is the heading. Okay beta. So first case is object at infinite. First case is object at infinite. Okay beta. So how to draw and how to form the image? First of all, draw the concave mirror. And this is the principal axis. This is pole, this is focus, this is center of curvature. Okay beta. So if object at infinity, so if ray is coming like this parallel to the principal axis, okay, parallel to the principal axis, ray will go from focus. Okay beta. If ray will come parallel to the principal axis and ray will go from focus. Okay, so if object at infinity, image will form at focus. Okay beta. Okay, second case is, so right here image will form at focus. Okay beta, you can write it. Next is second case. What is second case? Second case is object placed between infinity and center of curvature. What is the image seen? Okay beta. So first of all draw a concave mirror. This is principal axis, this is pole, this is focus, this is center of curvature. Okay beta. So this is side is minus infinity. Okay, so this is one object which is have a some height. Okay beta. So here ray will go parallel to the principal axis and it will go from focus. Okay beta, one ray will go like this. Okay, second row, if one ray will come at pole and it will go from like this, if this ray have angle theta here and this angle will also be theta. Okay beta, so image form like that. This is A and this is B, so this is A dash, this is B dash. Okay beta, so here what is the image, information? Image information is image will form between center and focus. Okay beta, and image will be inverted image. Inverted मतलब okay, inverted image. Okay, next is small. Okay beta, and next is real image. Okay beta, what is real image? If image will form beyond the mirror like this side, then it will be virtual image, because this side is polished, so if image will form this side, that will be virtual image. Okay beta, so this is real image and small image and inverted. Okay beta, so this is the small information about image. Okay beta, so I am going to rub this one. We will discuss another cases. Okay beta, we will discuss another case. We will discuss another case. We will discuss another case. Here case number 3. Here third case. What is third case? Third case is if object at center of curvature. Okay beta, like this. Draw concave mirror, and this is principal axis, this is polished side, this is pole, and this is focus, and this is center of curvature. Okay beta, if object like this, okay, so ray will go parallel to the principal axis and it will come reflect back from focus, because this is the ray criteria of concave mirror I have discussed in last class. Okay, and next one ray will go at pole and it will come like this. Okay, so image will form like this. Okay beta, this point of cross section, image will form this point of cross section, and this is A and B, and this is B dash. Okay beta, so what is the image information? Image information is image will form at center of curvature. Second information is equal to object. Third information is real image. Okay beta, this is the information, real image. And next information is inverted. Next information is inverted image. Okay beta, next case is fourth case. What is the fourth case? Fourth case is if object between center and focus. So what will be the scenario? First of all draw the concave mirror. This is the polished side and it is principal axis. Okay beta, so here this is pole, this is focus, this is center of curvature. Okay beta, so this is the principal axis. Okay beta, so next is if object between center and focus, like if object like this one, so one ray will go like this. Okay beta, and it will come like this. Okay beta, or next like this one, this is angle theta and it will come like this one. Okay, this is also angle theta and image will form here. Okay beta, so this point is A and this point is B, so this point is A dash, this point is B dash. Okay beta, so what is the information about image? Information is image will form between center and minus infinity. Okay beta, I am saying minus infinity, it is meaning is this side is minus infinity and this side is plus infinity. Okay beta, minus infinity. Next is enlarge image. Next one is inverted image. And next one is real image. Okay beta, so this is the 4 case of concave mirror. Okay, so case number 5 and case number 6 we will discuss in next class. Okay beta, so thank you for today class. Thank you.